In this video, we are going to learn about merge and center. Now suppose we want to merge A1 and B1 cell, this one, because this monthly budget has taken two cells A1 and B1. So to merge this A1 and B1 cell, first select cell A1 and B1 like this. Then click to Home tab over here. Then go to Alignment section over here. In that, click to Merge and Center like this. The moment we have clicked merge and center, A1 and B1 cell become one, and that is A1 cell over here. And monthly budget came in center. So like this we can use merge and center. Try this merge and center in your Excel worksheet, and I will see you in next video. Take care.